The additional charges feature on Clover POS is a versatile tool designed to help businesses manage extra costs, like service fees, delivery charges, or large party gratuities, without manually adjusting every line item. You can set up additional charges directly from your Clover device or your dashboard. From your dashboard, click the Settings gear on the upper right. Click View All Settings below. Under the Business Operations tab, click the Additional Charges link. Here, enable service charges by clicking on Edit. Check the box to enable service charges and click Save. Now that we've enabled service charges, we can add a maximum of 3 different service charges. Click Add Service Charge. If you're a mobile business, like a locksmith, a dog groomer, or a home repair person, you're burning gas and time just to get to the front door. Instead of charging more for the actual work, you can add a trip charge or dispatch fee. Use the provided fields to add the service charge name and percentage. Finally, click Save. Repeat this process to create any additional service charges. When preparing an estimate or an invoice, you can now include service charges. Click the service charge link found under the Sales Details tab when creating your invoice or estimate. The side panel now displays your list of service charges. Mark the checkboxes to apply. Customers now see a more detailed estimate or invoice. Remember, service charges are not just an additional revenue stream. They're a transparent way to cover rising operational costs while fairly compensating your team. The key is clarity, consistency, and honest communication with your customers. To learn